After watching this video, I'll change your mind on starting your own business. First of all, you don't need a logo, website, or anyone's permission. You need one buyer, one clear result this week. Today, I'm handing you an offer, the price, the outreach script, and 7-day plan you can execute immediately. We are going to turn skills you already have into repeat customers and the system you own. This is red, white, and revenue. Let's build what you own. Before we start on the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's talk about what starting really means. Starting a business is not a paperwork. It's getting paid to solve a painful problem. If income stops the second you stop, it's the job. If your offer keeps selling when you are not in the room, that's the business. Today I'll pick one lane, write one sentence script, set a flat price with tiny guarantee, contact 20 real buyers, and deliver so well that the first win becomes your monthly plan. So our formula is simple. One buyer, one result this week. Cash before branding. Proof before polish. Then we scale with what works. So step 1, pick a lane you can deliver this week. List the problems you can solve in 72 hours or less. Think blue collar and digital, truck or auto detailing, pressure washing, yard cleanups, document prep, invoicing cleanup, bookkeeping tune-ups, short form video editing, simple website fixes, social content bundles, delivery routes, equipment clean downs, office resets. Now choose one niche, one group of people you actually understand. Let's say contractors, realtors, busy parents, local restaurants, car dealers, gyms, salons, property managers. Ask 3 questions. Who do I help? What do they hate doing? And what result can I deliver by Friday? So for example, I can help one contractor send clean same-day invoices to their customers so they can get paid faster. Or I can deep clean family SUV by Friday, guaranteed. Or I can set up a simple VIP tax club for a restaurant and deliver 100 signups in 7 days. Pick one lane now and we are moving. Step 2, the one sentence promise and a flat offer. Your business fits in one sentence. I help this specific customer get this specific result by this specific deadline for this price with a tiny guarantee. Keep it concrete. Name your package with plain English. List 3 bullets of what's included. Set a deadline, let's say by Friday or 72 hours. Put one simple flat price on it. Add a simple guaranteed. If you're not thrilled or happy, I'll fix it the same day or you just don't pay me. So examples, contractor cash kit, $349, invoice template, QuickBooks setup, 30 minutes training, done by Friday. Or I can't. Another example, family ride reset, $249, interior reset, exterior cleanup, full sanitation, ready by Friday, you love it or you don't have to pay me. Flat pricing reduces fear. A tiny guarantees lowers friction. Clarity wins every time. Step 3, price for profit, fast math. We price backwards from profits, not from fear. Pick a profit floor per job, what you want to keep after cost. Add your hand cost, supplies, fuel, software, payment fees. Estimate your time block, maybe 2 hours door to door. If costs are $40, you want $120 profits. You need at least $160 revenue. Add 10% cushion and round it up to clean numbers. Let's say 175, 199, or whatever that number would be. Just keep it under 200. Or if it gets higher, you can do 249. Don't make it 250, make it 249. It's important. And then you can add one premium add-on like rush service, mobile convenience, pet hair removal, after hours work, or 2-car bundle. Never race to the bottom. Compete on outcomes, speed, and certainty. Step 4, the 20 outreach spree. Start with 20 real prospects today, 10 DMs or emails, and 10 walk-ins or calls. Your script is short. Hi, I help this specific customer get this result by this day for this price. I have 2 openings this week. Would you like to take one? Attach 1 proof photo, a single paragraph, case note. People like certainty. They want to see some, customers' feedbacks. For walk-ins, I help businesses like yours with this result by Friday. I have 2 slots open. If you don't love it, you don't have to pay me. And handle yourself calmly. If they say too expensive, just answer totally fair. Here's the result and the guaranteed. Let me earn it once, then I'll quote you a monthly plan that will save you money in the long way. Or if they say we already have someone, okay, great. Just use me as your rush backup this week. Or if they say text me later or call me back later, you just say, can I call you back by Thursday? Again, just to check back. You just need 1 yes to start. You'll likely get more than 1. Step 5, deliver like a pro. Your tiny SOP. People don't buy tasks, they buy confidence. Confidence comes from process. Write a 3 steps checklist for your service so anyone can do 80% of it. For detail, intake photos, in key control, trash and vacuum, top-down surfaces, shampoo, final photos, customers walkthrough, review links. Name the steps, post the checklist, follow it every time. Before you leave, send the before and after pictures and send your payment link. Ask for a simple sentence review. That's your first testimonial. Step 6, turn 1 win into the system, 1 customer in the proof. 3 customers already a system. So offer a 3-pack at small per visit discount to lock behavior. Then convert to monthly and auto-pay. So your script should be, most customers go monthly, so they never have to dip below today's results. It's $149 on auto-pay, second Thursday each month. Would you like me to lock you down on it? If you run routes, group customers by zip code or neighborhood, assign each cluster a day of the week. A dense route beats cheap pricing every time. 10 monthly clients, buy back a day of your week. Protect that day and sell the next cluster. That way you save money on expenses. And step 7, your first hire buybacks your best hour. List the bottom 20% of tests you do. The lowest value per hour, hire those out first. Your job becomes sales, quality, and routes. Their job is repeatable checklist. Give them a simple scorecard, one-time arrival, checklist completion, photo quality, 5-star reviews. The hour you buy back goes to selling more subscriptions so you can hire again. That's how the job becomes a business, and that's how you multiply. The 7-day launch plan. Day 1, pick your lane, write your promise, set the price, and choose your guarantee. Day 2, build 1-page offer and the payment link. Day 3, 20 outreaches and 5 walk-ins. Day 4, deliver the job number 1. Day 5, collect a testimonial and an offer, a monthly plan. Day 6, 20 more outreaches and book 2 jobs for the next week. Day 7, review results, tighten the promise, and raise the price 10% if you booked. If you don't get a yes in 7 days, we adjust the offer and try again. Data over drama. Don't panic. So starting a business isn't the paperwork. It's getting paid to solve the problem for other people. 1 buyer, 1 result this week. And this is Red, White, and Revenue. Don't rent your life, own it. Subscribe to our channel, like this video. We'll see you in the next one.